Welcome to this new video. Today, we're going to show you how to enable MFA on your CloudAway account. For this video, we are going to use an Android emulator on our PC in order to be able to record the Google Authenticator application. First, log into the CloudAway portal. Under the account menu, click on Password and MFA. Under Multi-Factor Authentication, click on Enable. A pop-up will appear with a QR code or a setup code. Now start your Google Authenticator application and add an account. From your mobile application, you should scan the QR code. For this demo, we will use the setup code as we can't scan the QR code from the emulator. Once the account is added, add the input security code and click on Validate. That's it, MFA is now active. Log off and log in again. You will now be prompted to enter a security code before logging in. If your application is not available, you can also request to receive your code by mail. Thank you for watching.